my dear friends. Welcome back to Speak English with Raksha. Close your eyes for a moment and think. How many times did you want to speak English but stopped? How many times did fear block your voice? How many times did you say in your heart, "Tomorrow I will start speaking English," but tomorrow never came? If this is your story, this video is for you. Today, we are not just learning English. We are breaking fear. We are building confidence. We are creating a new version of you, a brave speaker. This is a long, beautiful journey, so sit comfortably, wear your earphones, and travel with me. Let's begin. I am Raksha, your friend, your guide, your English partner.
Hello everyone, my name is Lohi. I am learning English. I feel shy when I speak. I make many mistakes, but I want to improve.
That's perfect, Lohi. You are exactly like millions of learners watching us today. Friends, if you feel like Lohi, shy, scared, confused, don't worry. You are in the right place.
Raksha, I understand English when people speak, but when I open my mouth, nothing comes out.
Why do you feel scared?
I am afraid people will laugh. I am afraid I will make mistakes. I am afraid my grammar is wrong.
Let me tell you one truth. Every fluent speaker once made thousands of mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. If you don't speak, you don't grow. If you speak and make mistakes, you improve.
That makes sense, but still I feel nervous.
Good. Nervous means you care. Now let's start slowly, very slowly. Lohi, say this sentence. Hello, I am learning English.
Hello, I am learning English.
Excellent. See? You already spoke English. Friends, repeat with us. Hello, I am learning English. Let's learn greeting conversation. I will speak. You listen, then repeat. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
How about you?
How about you?
I am doing well.
I am doing well.
These sentences are your daily tools. You can use them with neighbors, shopkeepers, classmates, office colleagues, new friends. Even if you speak only this much English daily, you are improving. Say loudly, hello, good morning, how are you? I am fine, thank you. How about you? Repeat 3 times. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Lohi.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What are you learning?
I am learning English.
Why are you learning English?
I want to speak confidently.
Friends, now it's your turn. Pause the video and say, my name is, I am from, I am I am learning English, I want to speak confidently. Say it loudly. Your room is your classroom.
Raksha, when I speak English, I feel proud of myself.
That pride will change your life. When you believe in yourself, the world starts believing in you. English is not just a language. It is confidence. It is opportunity. It is freedom. Let's talk about daily life. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and take a bath.
Then,
I eat breakfast.
what do you study?
I study English.
How long do you study?
I study for 1 hour.
These sentences describe routine. I wake up at. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I sleep at night. Practice these every day. Let's imagine we go to a shop. Excuse me,
Yes,
I want a pen.
here you are.
How much is this?
It is 10 rupees.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very powerful sentences. Excuse me, I want this. How much is this? Thank you. You are welcome. Use them daily.
Raksha, today I spoke many sentences. I feel happy.
That happiness is your growth. Never compare yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with yesterday's you. Small progress daily equals big success someday. My dear friends, if you reached till the end of this video, I am really proud of you. It means you are serious about improving your English and your life. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. You need courage. You need consistency. You need belief in yourself. Even if you speak only one English sentence today, you are already better than yesterday. Promise yourself, I will practice English every day. I will not fear mistakes. I will speak confidently. If this video helped you even a little, please like this video, share it with someone who is afraid to speak English, and subscribe to Speak English with Raksha for daily confidence-building English lessons. Comment below, I am ready to speak English. Your comment motivates me to create more powerful content for you. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep believing, keep shining.